Welcome back to our Java tutorial series. In the first part, we explored the basics of Java programming, laying a strong foundation for what's to come. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic, Java in big businesses and enterprises. This part will highlight why Java is a preferred choice for large-scale applications and how it drives the backbone of many successful enterprises. Why Java in big businesses? So why does Java have such a VIP pass to the enterprise party? Well, Java's got some serious credentials. Let's break it down. Platform independence. Imagine if you could wear the same outfit to every party and it always looked fabulous. That's Java for you. Write once, run anywhere is Java's way of saying, I'm ready for any party, anywhere, anytime. Scalability and performance. Big businesses need applications that can grow like a teenager's appetite, fast and without any hiccups. Java's multi-threading and garbage collection make sure your application doesn't crash when things get busy. It's like having a superhero who can handle a growing list of supervillains without breaking a sweat. Security. In the enterprise world, security is as crucial as having a good password for your online accounts. Java has built-in security features to guard against cyber ninjas and sneaky hackers. It's like having a digital bodyguard who never sleeps. Rich ecosystem. Java's ecosystem is like a massive toy store with everything you could ever want. Libraries, frameworks, tools, you name it. With popular frameworks like Spring and Hibernate, Java makes it easy to build cool stuff and keep everything working smoothly. It's the ultimate toolkit for enterprise wizards. Java in action, real-world examples. Let's see where Java is making waves in the real world. Financial services. Java's the secret sauce behind many financial systems. Whether it's handling trades or keeping your bank account safe, Java's reliability ensures your money is in good hands. It's like having a very smart accountant who never takes a vacation. E-commerce. If you've ever bought something online during a sale, chances are Java was working hard behind the scenes to make sure your shopping spree went off without a hitch. Java's scalability means it can handle traffic spikes better than a traffic cop during rush hour. Telecommunications. Java's also at the heart of telecommunications, managing everything from call centers to network systems. It's like having a super efficient organizer who keeps everything in perfect order. Healthcare. In healthcare, Java helps manage electronic health records and patient systems. It's like having a very diligent nurse who keeps all your medical info safe and sound. Conclusion. So, there you have it, a whirlwind tour of why Java is the go-to choice for big businesses and enterprises. It's platform independent, scalable, secure, and packed with a treasure trove of tools. Next time, we'll dive into the specific Java frameworks and tools that make enterprise development a breeze. If you're enjoying this journey, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and remember, Java is like a Swiss Army knife, versatile and ready for action. See you in the next part, where we'll explore even more Java magic. Hey everyone, welcome back to our Java tutorial series. If you're just joining us, we've already covered the basics of Java and why it's a big deal in the world of big businesses. Today, we're diving into a topic that's all about where Java shows off its financial wizardry, Java in banking and financial systems. So grab your virtual money bags and let's see how Java keeps the financial world running smoothly. Why Java loves banking and finance. Let's face it, banking and finance are like the adult version of playing Monopoly, but with way more zeros and a lot less fun. Java's role in this high-stakes game is nothing short of spectacular. Here's why. Rock-solid reliability. Imagine if your bank's website crashed every time you tried to check your balance. Scary, right? Java's reliability ensures that your financial transactions are processed smoothly without any hiccups. It's like having a super stable friend who never forgets your birthday and always shows up on time. Speed and performance. In the financial world, speed is everything, whether it's executing trades or processing transactions. Java's performance features are like having a turbocharged sports car that gets you from A to B faster than you can say, stock market crash. It's all about handling those high-speed transactions without breaking a sweat. Scalability. Think of Java as the financial system's personal trainer. It helps scale operations as your financial institution grows, whether you're handling thousands of transactions or just a few. It's like having a workout plan that adapts to your increasing strength and endurance. Except instead of lifting weights, you're lifting massive amounts of data. Security. Security in banking is like having a top-notch security system in your home. Java provides built-in security features to keep your data safe from prying eyes and malicious attacks. It's like having an ultra-secure vault where your financial information is guarded by a virtual army of digital guards. Java in action, real-world examples. Now, let's look at how Java is making a splash in the banking and financial sectors. Online banking. Ever wondered what magic happens when you transfer money from your checking account to your savings account? Java's behind the scenes, making sure everything goes through without a hitch. It's like the unsung hero of your daily banking activities, working tirelessly to keep your money in the right place. Trading platforms. For those of you who like to dabble in stock trading, Java's your best friend. It powers trading platforms that execute trades at lightning speed, helping you buy and sell stocks faster than you can say market volatility. It's the turbo boost your trading needs to stay ahead of the curve. Fraud detection. Java's also the detective in the financial world, spotting suspicious activities and preventing fraud. It's like having a super sleuth who's always on the lookout for any shady behavior, keeping your accounts safe from those sneaky fraudsters. Financial analytics. When it comes to analyzing financial data, Java's got the brains. It processes vast amounts of data to provide insights and forecasts, helping financial institutions make informed decisions. It's like having a crystal ball that predicts market trends with impressive accuracy. Conclusion. So there you have it. Java in banking and financial systems is all about reliability, speed, scalability, and security. It's the unsung hero that keeps the financial world ticking smoothly. Next time you're checking your bank account or making a trade, remember, Java is working behind the scenes, making sure everything goes according to plan. If you enjoyed this dive into Java's financial prowess, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Java fun. In our next tutorial, we'll explore how Java makes its mark in other exciting industries. Until then, keep coding and stay financially savvy. Hey space travelers and coding enthusiasts, welcome back to our Java tutorial series. In the last episode, we explored Java's role in banking and finance. Today, we're taking a giant leap for coding kind and blasting off into the cosmos to explore Java in space exploration. Yes, you heard it right. Java isn't just for Earthlings, it's also helping us reach for the stars. So put on your astronaut helmets and let's rocket into the world of space with Java. Why Java loves space exploration? You might be wondering, what does Java have in common with space? Well, it turns out Java's got some serious space credentials. Here's why. Stellar reliability. When you're dealing with space missions, you can't afford any hiccups. Java's reliability ensures that mission-critical systems work flawlessly, whether you're launching a rocket or controlling a satellite. It's like having a cosmic technician who's always on top of things, making sure everything goes according to plan. Interstellar performance. Space missions need to process tons of data faster than you can say space-time continuum. Java's performance capabilities handle complex calculations and large datasets with ease. It's like having a supercharged calculator that can handle astronomical numbers without breaking a sweat. Scalability. Just like space missions can range from small satellites to massive space stations, Java scales to handle various sizes of projects. It's like having a Swiss Army knife that can expand from a tiny tool to a full-fledged space station control system, adapting to any mission requirements. Cross-platform compatibility. Space agencies use various systems and platforms. Java's write once, run anywhere approach ensures that software works across different platforms. It's like having a universal remote control that works on every piece of tech, whether it's orbiting Earth or landing on Mars. Java in action, real-world examples. Let's look at how Java is making a splash in space exploration. Mission control systems. Java powers mission control systems that manage and monitor space missions. It's like having a mission control center that's always cool under pressure, ensuring rockets launch on time and satellites stay in orbit. Spacecraft software. Java's used in the software that runs on spacecraft, helping with navigation, data collection, and system operations. Imagine your spacecraft's onboard computer as the ultimate co-pilot, And Java is the brain, making sure it gets you to your destination without any cosmic detours. Satellite communication. Java handles communication between Earth and satellites, ensuring data is transmitted accurately and efficiently. It's like having a super efficient space messenger who never gets lost and always delivers your messages right on time. Astronomical data analysis. Java helps analyze astronomical data from telescopes and space probes. It's like having a cosmic detective that sifts through data to uncover the mysteries of the universe, from black holes to distant galaxies. Conclusion. So, there you have it. Java isn't just for coding on Earth, it's also helping us reach for the stars. Its reliability, performance, scalability, and cross-platform compatibility make it a perfect fit for space exploration. Next time you look up at the night sky, remember that Java might just be helping keep those satellites in check, or guiding a spacecraft to distant worlds. If you enjoyed this cosmic journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more stellar content. In our next tutorial, we'll explore another exciting application of Java. Until then, keep coding, and may the Java Force be with you. Hey gamers and coders, welcome back to our Java tutorial series. If you've been following along, you already know how Java's been ruling the financial world and even helping us reach the stars. Today, we're leveling up to a new high score as we dive into Java in gaming. That's right, Java isn't just for spreadsheets and financial systems, it's also behind some of your favorite games. So grab your controllers and let's jump into the pixelated universe of Java gaming. Why Java loves gaming? You might be thinking, Java and gaming? Isn't Java like that boring coffee? Well, think again. Java's got some serious game credentials. Here's why. Smooth performance. In the gaming world, nobody likes lag. Java's performance features ensure smooth gameplay, from epic boss battles to exploring vast open worlds. It's like having a supercharged game engine that keeps the action flowing without any of those annoying pauses. Cross-platform compatibility. Java's write once, run anywhere is a game changer for developers. It means you can play the same game on your PC, Mac, or even your phone. It's like having a universal gaming console that works on every device you own. No need to buy different versions for each platform. Scalability. Whether you're developing a tiny indie game or a massive multiplayer online extravaganza, Java scales to fit the bill. It's like having a magic wand that transforms your simple game into an epic adventure without breaking a sweat. Rich ecosystem. Java's got a treasure trove of libraries and frameworks for game development. From graphics libraries to game engines like JMonkey Engine, it's like having a massive toolbox filled with everything you need to build your next hit game. Java in action. Real-world examples. Let's check out Java is making waves in the gaming world. Minecraft. Let's start with the big one, Minecraft. Java edition of Minecraft is a beloved classic that's captivated millions of players worldwide. Java makes sure you can build, explore, and survive in a blocky universe with smooth performance and endless creativity. RuneScape. Java was also the secret sauce behind RuneScape, one of the most famous MMORPGs. It brought thousands of quests, magical lands, and epic battles to life, proving that Java can handle massive multiplayer experiences with ease. Roblox. You might be surprised to learn that Roblox, the platform where you can create and play games made by others, leverages Java for some of its back-end services. It's like having a behind-the-scenes wizard making sure everything works flawlessly while you're busy building your dream worlds. Casual games. Java is also used in many casual and mobile games. Think of it as the versatile sidekick that helps create everything from simple puzzle games to fun arcade challenges. It's like having a reliable friend who's always up for a game night. Conclusion. So there you have it. Java isn't just a coding language, it's also a key player in the gaming universe. Its smooth performance, cross-platform capabilities, scalability, and rich ecosystem make it a fantastic choice for game development. Next time you're immersed in a Java-powered game, remember that Java's been working hard to make your gaming experience epic. If you enjoyed this gaming adventure, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. In our next tutorial, we'll explore another exciting aspect of Java. Until then, keep gaming and coding. Game on. And that wraps up our exciting journey through Java in some of the coolest and most high-tech areas, From banking and finance to space exploration, gaming, and there are many more, Java's versatility and power are truly out of this world. And I hope you've enjoyed exploring these amazing applications as much as I have. But hold on, our adventure is far from over. We're just getting started. Up next, we're going to dive into the nitty-gritty of how to download Java and get it up and running on your machine. We'll also cover the essentials of coding in Java, so you can start creating your own Java projects and maybe even build the next big thing in tech. Get ready to roll up your sleeves and dive into the coding fun. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refresh your skills, we'll guide you through every step of the process. So stay tuned, make sure you're subscribed, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the action. Thank you for joining me on this epic Java journey. Until next time, keep coding, keep exploring, and remember, Java is the key to unlocking a world of endless possibilities. See you in the next tutorial where we'll start getting hands-on with Java. Get ready to make some coding magic happen.